Hello students, welcome back. Yesterday on 27th of July, we started the experiment on determination of moisture content on a soil mass. Now we take a soil sample. Actually we prepared 3 soil samples and we showed the results for one soil sample, and we take different steps and then we let it oven dry for 24 hours. Please refer to the earlier videos to understand the theory, introduction and the procedure of the experiment. Now in this lecture we are going to see the calculations part. As you all know, and in this situation I have already taken out the readings. Actually our lab assistant Shankar took the reading for me and he has provided me with the readings, and I am going to show you how to calculate the soil moisture content. Now if you observe closely, then our mathematically soil moisture content is a ratio of the water content and the dry weight, that is the unit, that dry weight, that is the weight of the dry soil mass. So we need to calculate what is the soil dry mass weight, and we have to also calculate the weight of water content. So these two, if we take a ratio, and that will be all. What we have the weight of the container, which we measured as 22 grams. Then we take the container and the wet soil and we weighed them together, and we found out that it was 41 gram. Then we let it oven dry for 24 hours. Generally 24 hours at a certain temperature above 70 degree is sufficient for all the moistures to evaporate, and what we are left with only air and dry soil, and that is why we take out what is the weight of the container and dry soil, and we find out that the weight of the dry soil is our 39.42 gram. So with these three simplest of the procedure, we are now going to determine what is the water content. First we need to find out what is the weight of the moisture, which will be the weight of the container and wet soil, and if we minus it from the weight of the container per dry soil, then wet soil and dry soil, because the weight of the container remains the same here, that will give me, that is W2 minus W3, that will give me what is the weight of the moisture, that is, which is, since it is a controlled experiment under controlled conditions, that is why we can say that W2, that is weight of the container plus wet soil, minus W3, that is weight of the container plus dry soil, will give me the weight of the moisture, which in this case will come out to be 1.58 gram. Then I need to find out what is the weight of the dry soil, and this is very simple. I leave it to you to find out why I did that. The weight of the dry soil is calculated as W3 minus W1. I am not going to elaborate the basics here. It is up to you to study, and I found out this is to be 17.42. So if you go by this formula, that is W2 minus W3, which is 1.58, and W3 minus W1, which is 17.42, and if you multiply with 100, you want to convert it into a percent system, then this result will come out to be 9.07. Now we prepare 3 samples together. And we take out all the notes here. Now one of the very important point here, that see, there is no variance of the weight of the container. We take identical containers, and that is how a controlled environment works. But still there is a huge difference of you see 38 to 41, that is a difference of 3 grams, which is substantial for a very small size experiment like this one. And there is a even further more difference between sample 2 and sample 3. So it is very important that we take out 3 samples, at least 3 samples, so that to eliminate the errors of our experiment. You see, we have calculated the results in the same way and find out that For the first sample, this is 9.07%. The second sample, it is 6.80%, and for third sample, it is 11.10 sample. This much of difference or deviation or variance generally occurs when we do an experimental setup, and that is why we take the average water content, which is simply we add all of them and divide it by 3, and which comes out to be 8.99%, which is quite acceptable norm. So with this, let us conclude our experiment here today, and please go through the theory part to have an understanding. Thank you.